Untuk semua yang tahu yang Apple baru saja melancarkan MacBook Air terbaru menggunakan chip M2 yang terbaru juga. Anda juga pasti tahu yang benda ni datang dalam 4 warna termasuk warna yang terbaru hitam kebiruan yang dipanggil midnight. Tapi soalan cepu emas warna apa adalah warna kesukaan YouTuber-YouTuber di seluruh dunia? Dalam video ni saya akan tunjukkan anda jawapan mereka. Jom. Apa khabar semua? Jason SmashPop di sini, kawan borak gadget anda. Seperti yang anda lihatkan, ini adalah video kedua yang saya buatkan di Amerika Syarikat. Saya belum balik lagi lah ke Malaysia. MacBook Air terbaru ini dikuasakan oleh chip M2 yang lebih hebat dan juga naik taraf daripada chip M1 yang sebelum ini. Dan of course benda ni juga ada reka bentuk yang baru, bukan lagi reka bentuk yang sebelum ini. Memang moden dan juga sangat-sangat stylo. Skrin dia pula Retina display 13.6 inci dan juga ada FaceTime kamera yang baru Full HD. Benda yang paling penting sekarang pengecasannya menggunakan adapter MagSafe yang dikuasakan oleh magnet. So anda tak payah lagi cocok-cocok lubang. So disebabkan saya ada di Apple Park pada masa pengumuman Apple tentang semua iOS, macOS, watchOS yang terbaru termasuk MacBook Air yang terbaru ini, saya dapat peluang untuk berjumpa dengan YouTuber yang kita sukakan dari seluruh dunia. Saya cubalah berjumpa dengan diorang untuk tanya mereka pendapat mereka tentang pengumuman ini dan juga warna kegemaran MacBook Air mereka. Dah bersedia? Kita mulakan dengan iJustine. So I'm currently with iJustine. Hi Justin.
Hello. How are you?
Good. So what do you think of the new MacBook Air?
I'm so excited. I've been a huge fan of the MacBook Air forever. And just knowing how powerful the M1 chip is, I can only imagine that the M2 is going to completely exceed all of our expectations.
And which one is your favorite color?
I think I like the Starlight.
Starlight?
Yeah.
Not the midnight?
No, I like the Starlight. It's a little hint of gold.
Right. Thank you very much, Justin.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Warna kegemaran dia tak sama dengan warna kegemaran saya. Saya bagi tahu anda nanti. Tapi sekarang jom kita berceloteh dengan Matthew Moniz. Matt.
What's up, guys?
Share with me, what is your favorite MacBook Air color this time around?
It's not even a question, it's the midnight black.
Right?
There's no
That's my
other choice.
favorite too. But what about the silver? Because everyone loves the original color.
Silver's like the safe bet, and then Starlight is like the most uninspiring one. So I'd probably go black, silver, then don't even bother with Starlight.
Listen to Matt,
There
the
you go.
laptop guy.
Got it.
Kalau anda selalu melihat YouTube tentang gadget-gadget dan sebagainya, anda pasti tahu terdapat seorang budak yang memang sukakan gadget yang juga sangat-sangat kaya raya. Nama dia Justin Z. Jom kita bercakap dengan dia pula. So I'm with Justin Z, right?
Yeah.
What's your favorite MacBook Air color this time around?
So I think by far my favorite one is definitely the midnight. It's just like the closest to matte black without being matte black, because I mean matte black catches fingerprints pretty easily.
Agree.
But the midnight is just really sharp, and it's the one that I go with. To be honest with the past few MacBooks, I've kind of been between the silver and the gray. I think they both look pretty good. But I think in this case, the midnight is pretty easy to see.
This is the first time we see a midnight color MacBook Air, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Thank you very much, Justin.
Sure, great to meet you.
I'm with Lihatkan from The Verge.
Hey.
So, what's your favorite MacBook Air color this time around?
MacBook Air color, the midnight is beautiful.
The midnight is beautiful? Right, thank you very much. Sebelum kita melihat YouTuber dari negeri barat, kita bercakap pula tentang YouTuber Malaysia, Adam Lobo. Apa pendapat dia? I'm currently with Adam Lobo TV. Tell us, what you think about the MacBook and what is your favorite color?
I like the fact that how it is redesigned as the MagSafe. It is super thin and light. That is your typical MacBook Air.
Yeah.
But one of the things that I really like is the brand new colors. So yeah,
So, which color is your favorite?
I would go with silver with this the safe option.
Old school lah.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Jika anda tak tahu, terdapat seorang YouTuber dari negara barat yang saya sangat-sangat sukakan. Dia selalu berkongsi pengalaman dia menggunakan gadget-gadget Apple dalam segi fotografi dan juga videografi. Nama dia Tyler Stallman. Jom kita lihatkan pendapat dia dan juga warna kegemaran MacBook Air dia. Okay, I'm currently with Tyler Stallman. Stallman, right? Stallman.
The first one was good.
Okay, so what's your favorite MacBook Air color this time around?
I mean, I've been going gray for a while, and I'm probably gonna just keep doing it. Like,
Really?
Yeah.
You don't like the matte black?
I'm kind of bored. I mean, I like it,
Yeah.
but I'm bored.
So you'll stick with the silver.
I think I'm going to. Yeah.
Alright. Thanks, boring guy. Okay, saya juga berpeluang untuk bercakap dengan Michael Josh daripada Gadget Match. Jom kita lihatkan pendapat dia. Okay, so we're with Michael Josh from Gadget Match. Tell us what you think about the new MacBook Air briefly, and also your favorite color.
I mean, the MacBook Air has always had that wedge shape, so for the first time, it's completely different. So I think it's the biggest redesign that we've seen on the MacBook
Do you prefer
Air
the
for a
wedge
while.
shape or the new shape?
I kind of like the wedge shape,
Me too.
but I do like the soft roundedness of the new
Yeah,
shape.
but somehow it's also not as thin as before.
You don't get the illusion of how thin it actually was, but it is thinner overall in terms of like volume.
Correct.
But I think a lot of people holding out, from adopting to Apple Silicon, waiting for Gen 2,
Which is this.
So I feel like this is gonna sell like hotcakes.
Definitely. So what's your favorite color?
I really do like midnight.
Same here.
I like the touch of blue in certain,
Certain
light. So yeah, black for me. Midnight.
Cool. And if you don't know, he's actually half Malaysia.
Yes.
Dah bersedia untuk melihat perbualan saya dengan YouTuber gadget nombor 1 di dunia, iaitu MKBHD ataupun Marques Brownlee. Lihatkan apa yang dia nak cakapkan dan juga warna kegemaran dia. Okay, I'm with MKBHD here, and I just want to check out what is your favorite color among all the 4 colors of the MacBook Air.
Space gray.
Space gray, not the midnight or the matte black.
It's so close to matte black, but it's a little bit blue. So I like the space gray, number 1, midnight 2,
Okay.
silver, starlight.
Okay, did you think that Apple actually heard that your request of matte black everything? You did? Alright.
I hope so.
Thank you, Marques. Okay, pendapat saya tentang MacBook Air ini, saya sangat suka design baru dia sebab sekarang design ini adalah sama dia punya reka bentuk dengan MacBook yang lain, okay? Dan of course saya sukakan kenipisannya, iaitu lebih kurang 11mm sahaja dan ada charging MagSafe. Warna favorite saya pula midnight, okay? Untuk semua yang berminat untuk membeli MacBook Air terbaru ini yang dikuasakan oleh chip M2, harga dia bermula daripada 5499, okay? Dalam 1, 2, 3 bulan lagi akan sampai di pasaran Malaysia. So jimat duit dahulu, okay? Sekiranya anda suka video-video gadget macam ni, jangan lupa untuk langgan ke channel ini. Dan sekiranya anda suka YouTuber yang ada di dalam video ini, kena share lah video ni kepada kawan-kawan anda, okay? Tunjukkan diorang, dan orang Malaysia dapat bertemu dengan YouTuber kesukaan anda semua, okay? Itu saja. Ikuti saya di Instagram, TikTok dan juga di Twitter. Nama saya @smashpop. Jumpa anda di Malaysia. Yo.